Do you want to make your day a lot cheesier, or just looking for a snack that will melt in your mouth? Try the potato and cheese sticks recipe, which is super easy to make and only needs the simplest ingredients. Mash 400 grams of boiled potatoes. Add 50 grams of sour cream and mix both of them together. Then season with 20 grams of onion, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper and 50 grams of fried chopped bacon and mix again. Now take a ball of the mix, flatten it in your hand, and place 15 grams of cheese in the center, then wrap the potato mix around it. Dip your potato stick into flour, covering it completely. Then submerge it into whisked egg mix and some fine breadcrumbs. Now fry your potato sticks in a deep pan of hot oil until they're golden brown. This should also mean the cheese inside has melted. Lay your sticks out to cool and season with some more salt to taste. Now serve up with some salad and some tomato sauce for dipping. And enjoy!